Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, most of you no doubt would have been following the Pastor Joshua Iginla saga. Well, now, Stella Ndamezi, the South African prophetess who was alleged to be Pastor Iginla's side chick, but who has subsequently emerged to actually be his second wife, has finally come out of hiding in a public display of defiance. So now I will show you a clip of this public display of defiance, and then we'll come back and I'll add a bit more flesh to the background story for the benefit of the people who are not quite yet up to speed with this story. So watch this clip and then we'll come back and then I'll add a bit more flesh.
That God is telling me to speak to you. Are you born in Zimbabwe?
Yes, I'm born in Zimbabwe.
Have you ever told me this?
No.
Celebrate Jesus!
Can you
Who is
celebrate the
this
Lord?
God that knows your name?
I thought you're South African from Eastern Cape. I thought I'm not a Xhosa.
No.
That's what I thought. That's why I was saying that, Brother Nkosinati Masuku, please come out, because I don't even want to go to. I know he's Nkosinati, but it doesn't add up to me in the physical realm. I've been thinking you're a Xhosa, and the Lord tells me you were raised in Durban.
Yes, I was raised in Durban.
Jesus.
Celebrate Jesus!
So there you saw Stella Ndamezi, Pastor Iginla's second wife, on the pulpit, giving it large. Now, Pastor Joshua Iginla is a big name pastor in Nigeria. He's the head of a very large church in Abuja, and he has an international presence as well. So he's got churches all over Africa and in the Western Hemisphere as well. So he's a big name preacher with a big name church within the Nigerian Christendom. So that is his pedigree. So now, a few days ago, about 2 weeks or so ago thereabout, he came out on his pulpit with a revelation that he has been having an affair and his wife has been having an affair, and he made all this hoopla to his congregation where he more or less self-confessed. He alleged that his wife was, he accused rather his wife of infidelity. He confessed to having extramarital affairs as well. He alleged that his wife had a child out of wedlock. He also confessed that he's had a child out of wedlock as well. His wife has subsequently come out with a rebuttal, which is also on my channel, so I can put a link to that. So now the woman at the heart of all this spectacle is a South African preacher lady called Stella Ndamezi. So this is the person that you saw in that clip, and this is the person really that is at the heart of the troubles that afflicts the relationship between Pastor Joshua Iginla and his wife Yemisi. So it is alleged, and it has now been confirmed, that Pastor Joshua Iginla is not only dating this Stella woman, this prophetess Stella from South Africa. He's not only dating her, he's actually legally married to her. And some people have actually gone through the processes in South Africa, the information disclosure, etc., and they've been able to dig out the woman's identity and proof of her being married to Joshua Iginla. So all of that information is out there. So you'd have thought then that this woman would bury her head in shame and go into hiding, etc., which she did do for a couple of days. But in now a power move, she has now gone onto the pulpit to announce herself again, all primed up and all decked up and all caked up in makeup and whatever, trying to look slay, at least her version of slay. So this is now her act of defiance, because we now had that confession from Joshua Iginla. We have now had the rebuttal from his wife Yemisi. So now we've now had the side chick come on the pulpit in an act of defiance. So the saga carries on. So where is now the worship in all this? Because you would have thought that a man of God of that prominence would live a life of example. He would live an exemplary life. But the example, obviously, that this Joshua Iginla is setting is definitely not one to emulate. So that is the state of play within the Nigerian Christendom, and this is a sort of storyline that we'll be following on this channel as we evolve. So leave your comments in the comment section. Are you following this storyline? Joshua Iginla, his wife Yemisi, and prophetess Stella from South Africa. That's the love triangle within the church in Abuja. So that is the state of play. Let me know what your comments are in the comment section. So, but before you go leave that comment in the comment section, click on that red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. Then haven't done that, click on the notification bell as well so you're alerted every time I drop a video. So once you've done that, come meet me in the comment section so we can carry on this conversation. So I'll leave you here and I'll meet you in the comment section and I'll say peace.